actress Destiny Etiko don't break record for the Nollywood industry as she celebrates her birthday, and the turn up was massive. Destiny Etiko, her birthday, she make nothing less than 20 million naira. My people, making her not go anywhere, making her watch the video of how they take spray her bundles of money. But before you watch the video, if you know say today na the first time when they come across this video on my channel, make you subscribe, I beg. And to all my returning subscribers, now God go bless all of you now when they come back to come watch my new upload. So my people, make we enter the matter of today. So our star actress Destiny Etiko celebrate her birthday, and the love when she get then the alert when she receive no be small thing. 2 million naira, 1 million naira, 500,000, like the money was coming all round, and she can celebrate her birthday in a very little way. But now bundle, now they can't spray her, as you can see in this video. Bundle, if you know they spray her bundle, no attend her invitation. I say the invitation just be a bundle of money now they spray her. So she was really happy. There's nothing to really get people by her side. Honestly, she's really loved, and she deserves to be called that drama doll that she is. So a very happy birthday to her. We can also wish her happy birthday for the comment section. The party was massive, like it was so massive. So if you watched it this time, make a wish her happy birthday, long life and prosperity.
Yeah, a princess of Africa. So, this is the thing of the high block. Have you not seen anything? Let's go. When you talk about